Hi, my name is Mohammad Farooq, and I would like to give my personal opinion about HTL Infotech Private Limited, digital marketing institute, and located at Noida Sector 2, operated by Yogesh. And about this institute and about Yogesh, this is, in my opinion, one of the good institute, best institute, in order to give knowledge to those people who would like to grow themselves in IT field, in search engine optimization and PPC field. I personally found Yogesh a good teacher, a good friend, a good guide for your business. If you would like to do a business, he also gives you suggestion and guidance. Even under his guidance, I set up my own business before 6 months, and I got my business registered in United States of America, and I'm just operating my business from here in digital marketing. And I got a lot of information, a lot of knowledge from Yogesh. Even I didn't know anything about digital marketing and SEO when I was completely novice about search engine optimization. Even I don't know how to make a single website, but under his guidance and his the methodology of teaching was quite appreciable and remarkable, that I found myself developed